everyone, I'm unboxing ZKTeco's Wi-Fi Alarm Security Kit, AP100. This Wi-Fi alarm kit could provide a comprehensive alarm system for your home. Let's have a quick look around the packaging. It contains 5 different products. Turn it around and you will find AP100 functions. Long-distance connectivity, customizable zone setting. We can check the real-time operation records and instant app alerts. Turn the package around. Remote control is available. No wiring is required, so it's super easy to install. AP100 supports home and away modes. Alarm hub with built-in backup battery. You don't need to worry when power outage. Let's unbox this AP100 and see what we have. First, we have a quick start guide in English and Spanish. As you can see, the AP100 kit contains 5 different products. It includes an alarm hub, which supports both Wi-Fi connection and Bluetooth dual protocol that can support up to 24 detectors and 10 remote controls. Water leak sensor protects your home from water leakage. When the true inductive prompt detects water, we can receive the notification immediately. Motion sensor, door and window sensor, and a remote control. Next, we have an accessories kit. Let's go through the steps of adding AP100 to ZSmart app. Let me get my smartphone and enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth permissions. Click on ZSmart app, which you have downloaded from Apple App Store or Google Play. If you do not have an account, create one with your email, then input your account information and login. Next, plug the alarm hub into the power outlet.
Welcome to use alarm system.
And wait a few seconds until the LED light begins to blink rapidly. It indicates the alarm hub is in pairing mode. Just like this, it's blinking rapidly now. Then press the plus icon on the upper right corner. Select End Device option. When you discover the device pop up on ZSmart app, tap End button. Then it's done. Next, we are gonna add the sensors to the alarm hub by 433 MHz RF communication. The first product we are about to add is a water leak sensor. Enter the alarm hub interface on the app, and then tap the accessories button. Tap the plus button to trigger the alarm hub to enter the pairing mode.
Add zone.
And then touch the 2 inductive prompts at the same time to trigger the sensor to transmit signal.
Zone 1 add successful.
So it's successfully attached after the alarm hub plays the audio prompt. And then we will use the same method to add motion sensor, door sensor, and remote control.
Add remote control. Add successful. Add zone. Zone 2 add successful. Add successful.
So this is how to add the sensors to the app. we just need to trigger the alarm hub to enter the pairing mode, and then trigger the sensors to give a signal. Then they will be automatically matched. When you hear the alarm hub plays an audio prompt, that means the sensors are successfully attached. It's pretty straightforward. Let's go through the interface on the ZSmart app. We got Control, Settings, Accessories, and Record at the bottom. I will show you one by one. Well, let's click on the Control first. There are 4 security modes available. The first one is SOS mode. When you're in an emergency situation, you can press the SOS button on the app or on remote control. The alarm hub will trigger an alarm immediately, and we will get the notification on the app. Let's try. The second one is disarm mode. We can apply this mode to all accessories. Once the disarm mode is enabled, all devices will stop working. We can enable the disarm mode on the app or on remote control by pressing the button. Next, we will introduce the arming mode. Users can use this mode when there's no one at home. Once in arming mode, if any sensor detects abnormal incidents, the alarm hub will sound an alarm and send a warning notification to your app. The app will notify users of their home real-time status. The last one is home arming mode. If you stay at home and be protected at a designated area, this mode will help you to keep the normal zone accessories working usually, while the accessories outside the normal zone will not be activated. Let's go to the setting of alarm hub. You can customize a timer to set up the armed and disarm mode automatically. Just simply to pick up an arming time, disarm time, and days to repeat. It benefits users who want AP100 to work at a designated time. We will go to accessories. This is the interface and accessories where I showed you before. When we click the record, we can check the device's status as well as the log of a specific time. Click the upper right corner, you can rename the device, check the device info. The device can be shared by many ways, like ZSmart account, message, or copy the links. Okay, you've seen the unboxing and setup of AP100 Alarm Security Kit. Very easy to set up and will bring great security for your family. So there you go. I hope you like this video.